All right, so I'm going to be talking about Roblox game design. This is a very new product for us, and this is an opportunity for students to start designing their games and code them. So students usually use Roblox, but I would say 99% of the time they are just gaming with Roblox. They are just playing games. This is not a class at all where we're going to be playing games. The only games you're going to play is your own when you're testing. So they have, the good thing about playing games is that they know how to navigate in 3D, which is great when you're trying to design a game. But really, what we're going to do over there is how to design a game and how to code it. Again, the daily schedule for the Roblox. So Roblox, we have actually two models for you to offer you in the same week. You can either just enroll for the morning session, and I will give you 3 hours of time with me. And then you can also, that same week, apply for an extra 2 hours in the afternoon, where we're going deeper into some concept or making your games more pretty, etc., etc. So you could do a part day camp or a full day camp. What do we need? So it's very important that you need to be aware that you have to have a PC or a Mac at home in order to be able to enroll this class. We really recommend a 2-button mouse and a scroll wheel. This is really important, makes things so much easier when you're navigating in the 3D world of Roblox. You will need to download the Roblox Studio. It's free, and this is a great thing about Roblox, is everything is free. But you need to do that before, and you need to create a student account. And make sure that the students have the correct age. So if I have a student who is less than 13 in my class, I will want, and when he's sharing his stream, I will verify that the correct age restriction is on. This is for the own protection. The coding language that we will be using is Lua, very similar to Python, and it's great. So we will have different projects. The first project, and I'm going to demonstrate that in a bit, the first project is going to build a hobby. A hobby is basically an obstacle course that your player has to try to get on. Then we are going to create some other projects. One of them is going to take us a few days. It's an adventure project where the first day we're just setting up the terrain and we're creating, the map. And then after that, we're going to code where you have to collect items inside your world. And when you collect those items, you get points. You can go and sell them, and then you can upgrade your bag. So think about it. If you know a little bit about Minecraft, you have a set of items that you can collect, but you cannot. Once your bag is full, it's full. You can't collect anymore. So in that case, we will have a board where we can upgrade our bag and make it bigger. So I think pictures is worth 1,000 words. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. Can you now see my Roblox Studio?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. So this is my Roblox Studio, and I'm going to show you my base jump, which is basically, so this is where we're designing. So I am on the design, and I can add parts to it. So I'll just go over here and I'll just add a part. And then once I have that part, I can make it, different color, and I can basically move it. And when you move it, you have to move it in 3 dimensions. So a lot of work to just designing. Okay, so I've coded this game already, and I have, for example, this part over there is a trap, and it has a script attached to it. So you can see my script over there, and this is the part where we are coding in Lua. What I want to demonstrate to you is the game itself, and I'm going to tell you as I'm jumping through it what is coded and what is designed, because then you can see the balance. So all those parts that I've been putting out there, they are basically designed, and but there are some portion that I added some code. So for example, if you start over here and you're going to jump over here, and you finalize, you're finally in the middle of the game, but you fall into the emptiness, then you don't start in the beginning. So let's go and play this game. I hope, running Zoom and running Studio is going to be okay for my computer. So you can see I'm now advancing. I have to make sure that I hop on all the, and then I fall. So now I lost. Yeah, I'm not perfect. So I'm going to play it again. So that's the only portion of the playing that they have to do, is when they have designed their game, they have to test it. So here, for example, if I put a part too far away, then it's too hard for me to do it. And then it's going to spawn back at the beginning of the game. And I've made 3 or 4 platforms that sometimes I don't have to spawn back to the middle of the game. So I'm trying to reach at least one of them. I should not be that bad. Play that game anytime. All right, here we go. So now I'm on a new platform. If I fall, I will not come back to the middle of the game. You see that new platform. So that's a code that makes me spawn, etc., etc. And so it can expand, that particular hobby. But there's a lot of work to just get there. And so that's what Studio looks like. Do you guys have any question about Roblox?
Sarvan, there's a question on what is the difference between Minecraft and Roblox.
Okay, very good. So Minecraft itself is just a game. The Minecraft class that we're doing is a mod to Minecraft, and they're using block programming to do a differentiation in Minecraft. I think the Roblox is not a game where you go and build stuff. If I just compare the 2 games together, right? Roblox is when you go to Roblox, you basically have a category of games that have been created by other people, and you play these games. So basically, you're really a consumer of gaming. In Minecraft, you could decide to be a builder, and you go ahead and you build architectures, and so it still has a lot of design aspect when you're in the playing mode of that game. Now, so the difference is the 3D graphics. Obviously, you've seen that the 3D graphics are a little bit different, but really, Roblox in the world of the kids is just a playing platform. So we are transforming and we're spinning it off to like, okay, well, you like Roblox. Why don't you go and we'll show you how you can create your own games. And that's super, super nice, because after that, you can share those games onto the outside, and you can have other people play your game.
And I also add that Minecraft, what we are teaching is block-based, and Roblox is actually a text-based experience for students.
Yes. And that's correct, and it is quite complex. I mean, there is a hierarchy that needs to be learned. So we recommend that to students a little older, and so that's why this class is offered for older students. But we go through the concept, the basic concept of local variable, etc., etc. And we do it repetitively enough that by the end of the week they understand all these concepts.